Hi friends, in today's class we shall treat the topic trigonometry, and under this we are going to consider positive angles. I have here on the board, find the short form of sine 225 and cos 210 degree. So when we come across this question, so these angles given here are positive angles. So the easiest way to do this kind of question is to draw the graph. You can draw the graph of sine 225. That is, this is a solution. Okay, sine 225 degree. We draw our cardinal point. This is x and this is y. So sine 225. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant. While this is fourth quadrant. So for positive angles goes on an anti-clockwise direction. That is, from this first quadrant, it goes like this, for positive angles. So you have 225 degrees. That means you are going to see the rotation like this, starting from x. This is 0, it goes like this. This is 90. I'm moving to 225, 180, then 225 will fall in the third quadrant. Then we have this. So we look at this very well. This is negative x. This line is negative x. So this line is negative y. So this line here that forms the rotation, this line, we can call it z. So I can bring out a triangle from here. That is a right angle triangle from here. So my 225 degrees is the theta from here to here. That's the 225 degree. That's theta, which is the same thing as 225 degree. So if I want to get this acute angle that is here, this small acute angle, I can relate this small acute angle with the whole of this reflex angle, which is 225. So that means I can say that sine 225 degree is the same thing as, look at it. I said I'm relating this acute angle with the whole of this big angle 225. So I can say that sine 225, we come to this place now. Sine, this is negative y. Since this is y, negative axis, so I can say this is negative y, this is negative x, and this is z. So sine 225 now is the same thing as the angle that is here will be 45. From here to here is 45. Why the remaining one here is what? 180. So if I add 180 with 45, I will get 225. So I can say that sine 225 is the same thing as sine open bracket 225 minus 180 degree, which is the same thing as sine 225 minus 180. That's to give us 45. So sine 225 is the same thing as sine 45. But we now want to consider maybe it is negative or positive. For us to know maybe we are going to have negative here or positive, we go to the quadrants. So this is the third quadrant here. This is first, second, third. In the third quadrant, sine is negative. How is sine negative? This is sine. This is 45. Opposite hypotenuse. That is negative y over z, which will give us negative. So I will just add negative here. So that sine 225 is the same thing as negative sine 45. It's as simple as that. So which is the same thing as, so sine 45 in our special angles, sine 45 is the same thing as 1 over root 2. That is negative 1 over root 2, which is also the same thing as, by the time we rationalize, that's minus 1 over root 2 times root 2 over root 2, which will be negative root 2 over 2. So sine 225 is the same thing as negative root 2 over 2. 225 is equal to negative root 2. Then the second one, B, you are looking for cos 210 degree. Cos 210. The same way, you can see, draw our quadrants. These are quadrants. So here, this is x, this is y, this is negative x, and this one is negative y. 210. We start from the first quadrant. First quadrant, that's 90, 180. So 210, we enter the third quadrant. So we have something like this. So we have something like this. So I can produce a triangle, right angle triangle from here. 210. So 210, the whole of the angle, 210 is theta, that is from here to here, that's 210. So that means 210 is the combination of 180, this is 180, 180, then plus the angle that is here, which is 30. So 180 and 30. So I can come here and say, therefore, cos 210 degrees is the same thing as cos, open brackets, 210 minus what? 180. I want to get this small hypotenuse here. So I will just remove 180 from 210 to get this 30. Because I want to relate this 30 with the whole of the big angle, which is 210 degree. So this is the same thing as cos 210 minus 180, that's cos 30. Cos 30. So cos 210 degree is the same as cos 30 degree. But we want to know if in third quadrant, if cos is negative or positive, if it is negative or positive. So you just come here, this is negative y, because it is along negative y. This is negative x, and this is z. Cos, adjacent over hypotenuse, that's negative x over z. And also in the third quadrant, cos is negative. So that's how we got the negative. So you just come in and put negative cos 30. So cos 210 is equal to negative cos 30. And when we find this, if you find this drawing, if you find the short form of this negative cos 30, you are going to, from our special angle, we are going to get root 3 over 2. So, which is the same thing as negative 3 over 2 from our special angle. So you can try this question, try this. Find in third form A cos, let's say cos 225, then B sine 210. So try this on your own. Just follow this explanation. You can do well to do this, and you are going to get it much more better. Also, if you try the example, the exercise given here. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.